Hey everyone, Luke here. Today I want to share something big and personal, something that marks a new chapter for me, for my channel, and honestly, my journey as a whole. I'm rebranding this YouTube channel from Avidity Recruitment to simply me, Luke Gough. I want to talk to you all a bit about why I'm doing this and what it means for all of you who've supported me along this journey. I've been on a wild career ride, and I know many of you are on one too. That's why I'm rebranding, not just to tell my story, but to better support yours. For a while now, I've felt like I've been straddling two different worlds. On one side, recruitment through Avidity Recruitment, and on the other side, content creation, career coaching, and just being Luke Gough. I've loved every minute of helping people find jobs through Avidity. But I realised that when it comes to connecting with you all, sharing career advice and telling my own story, I need a different space. A space that feels more authentic and more me. Avidity Recruitment will stay as the recruitment business I've built over the years, but this channel is all about something bigger, connecting with you on a more personal level, sharing insights and helping you crush your career goals. So why change? Because I want this channel to feel human, real, and more personal. I want to help you all, not just as a recruiter behind a company, but as someone who's been on his own crazy career ride. From being a professional golfer to a recruiter to now embracing content creation and career coaching. I want to use my name because at the end of the day, I'm here to connect with you, to offer my own experiences and to make a difference in your careers. Whether you're looking to break into cybersecurity, pivot into a new field, or just nail that interview you've been working for. And here's the best part. I'm launching my own career coaching business. This means I'll get to work directly with some of you to tackle your biggest career challenges. Whether it's resumes, interviews, or pivoting careers, I'm here to help you level up. I'm thrilled to offer personalized one-to-one coaching to help you navigate your career challenges. Now, whether it's interviewing, resume building, job searching, or optimizing your LinkedIn profile, I've got you covered. My goal is to provide tailored guidance that helps you take your career to the next level. This coaching is all about you and what you need to succeed, and I can't wait to work with some of you more closely on these crucial parts of your professional journey. My new website is live. Check it out. I'll leave the link in the description below. So moving forward, you can expect the same valuable content, but presented in a more personal way. I want to share my honest journey, the ups and the downs, the lessons, the wins, and everything in between. You'll still get career advice, interview tips, and cybersecurity insights, but with more of my own story woven in. I want to thank each and every one of you who's been part of this journey so far. Your support really does mean the world to me, and I'm beyond excited for what's to come. So if you're here to grow, to change your career, or just get some real advice on navigating your professional life, you're in the right place. So welcome to Luke Gough. Let's do this together. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the rebrand, or just to say hi. Thanks for being here, and here's to new beginnings.